Morning. Everyone at home sort of got a head cold. Hi. Everyone's got a head cold, so I'm gonna make our little ginger tea. No. What was that? She found something. Yeah, let me just chop the ginger. So I'm just gonna chop ginger. And this is really simple. It's just ginger, black tea, and a bit of milk. And when the kids are about to drink it, when it's nice and warmer and the tea is nice and warm, I add honey to it. Because I don't want to cook the honey. Yeah, mama. Add your ginger. 2 tea bags. Add your tea bags. Close it. And then once it's boiling, we will add our milk. Last night I made some sourdough muffins. Okay. I've got hot water, and to this I'm adding powdered milk. I'm just adding the last one for the video, but I've already added like 4 scoops of this, or 5. And just give it a good mix. Nice and boiling. Oh, that's steam. This works well with powdered milk. You can use liquid milk, but we prefer powdered. I'm just gonna give it like a few more seconds for it to come to a boil, and then I'll turn it off. So when you're serving your cup of ginger tea, add tons of honey to it to sweeten it. And that is because honey is really good for your throat. That's your little cough mixture. And for us, we'll be drinking this like the whole day. And come tomorrow morning, our throat will feel so much better. You can do other shots like ginger lemon tea with honey, or you can do carrot, ginger, blend up some carrot, ginger, honey. You can do that as well. You can add some cloves to it. I forgot to add cloves. Actually, I'm gonna add some cloves. Where's my cloves? Somewhere. Yes. It's gonna take like that much. Yeah. I'm not gonna put the honey in because I do not want to kill the properties, so I do not want to boil honey. I will serve this warm to my kids, and then I'm gonna add the honey when the tea is warm. Okay, that's it. Bye.